Oh great, it's Matt filming himself on another combination of crazy technological devices. Is that what this is going to be every week? There was one particular photo that I released on social media that I came away with that was kind of a creative one that has, I guess, struck the curiosity of a lot of people asking, how in the world did you pull that off? So in today's 3 Minutes on Thursday, with the tricks of using the GoPro Hero5 and the GoPro app on my iPhone, I want to show you some of those settings and exactly how I pulled off that shot from underneath the ice looking back at myself. We did need to get some underwater footage, and what we ended up doing was, you can see here drilling 2 holes kind of right next to each other, and then we drilled a 3rd hole just to give us a better angle. The long selfie stick rig that I kind of put together, we weren't getting the angle that I wanted, so I drilled a 3rd hole and to get the right angle. It was just cold because your hands are in the water, they're out of the water, you're in the blowing snow, but it was a pretty cool opportunity to try to execute a shot that I hope will serve us well. Okay, so let me take you through step by step, both with my iPhone and my GoPro, on how I actually set this up for some live view shooting. The first thing on the GoPro, I wanted to make sure by sliding down to the main menu, GoPro Hero5, to the connect button, and then scroll up and just make sure that your wireless connections are turned on. So I turn that power on, which is going to activate private wireless network, and then on my phone, make sure I connect to the wireless network that is the GoPro network, which should pop up right here, GoPro. And then what I'm going to do is open up the GoPro app on my phone. On the GoPro app, when you go to the home page, you can connect your camera right here. Start a preview there. You'll see live what I'm looking at on my GoPro. The settings that I used for this photo, I went from video mode to self-timer mode, hit time-lapse photo, and set my interval to 1 second, so it was going to be taking 1 picture every second. My field of view I experimented with a little bit and ended up using wide just because I wanted to make sure that I got it. I knew that I could crop it in a little bit if I needed to, so I set that on wide. As I hit the capture button on the GoPro, it started capturing 1 photo each second. I could load it up on the end of the boom to make sure that I had the shot and had things positioned where I wanted. So did that, moved things around, dropped the line in, dropped the Markham transducer in, some of that stuff, so that I had everything the way that I wanted.
There we go, look at that guy.